Hi, it's Rhonda with Miss Prim Cross Stitch, and today I want to tell you about how to take an irregular design like this there's no straight edge going around, nice and neat. It's kind of a jaggedy edge thing going on. I want you to take that design and turn it into a nice rectangular pillow. So first we need to do our basting, right? As soon as we get that done, we can jump right over to the sewing machine and get going on it. So here's what I did. I decided on mine, I'm starting out with an 8 by 12 piece, and I put my design in the center, and now I'm going to measure up. I would kind of like an inch up on my pillow on all four sides, but you can go wider if you want because you've got extra room here. So what I did was I took my measuring device and I judged that it was about approximately there, dabbed it with my pen, air and water soluble, and then I started doing my basting. And I just started right at the top of the D, went over just to get it started. Now, but I want to go over here too. What do? All I have to do is take my needle out of this end, gently pull, rethread. If I could do it on camera quickly. And then just start going the other direction. I'm going to turn it upside down because I can't do it. So I'm going to go here. Let's just pretend I'm doing it correctly and really getting it exactly on the right stitch. Anyway, so we're going to go over this way. You're going to keep going until you're beyond at least an inch over here. And then you're done with that side. And then you're going to do the same thing on this side. You're going to look at your uppermost stitch and then count up. What I would do actually is once you did one side, actually count the threads. I think I counted 30 here. So on the other sides, we're going to start here, count up 30, mark it with your pen maybe, or with your, you could just mark it with your needle, leave it like that, and you could just thread it from there. Just thread the needle from there and then start going this way. Stop here, take it out, pull your thread again, and then turn it around and go up this way and finish there, and then it's going to crisscross on this side, right? And do that on all four sides, and then you'll finally have your little rectangle, and that's going to be your stitching line for your sewing machine. So you'll end up turning it upside down, right sides together with your backing fabric, and then your mark off where you want to leave an opening on the bottom. Remember, don't forget to do that. And then just follow your stitching very carefully, and you're going to have a nice, beautiful pillow when you're done. So it really is easy once you kind of figure out, don't get confused, there's no border to go by. It's relatively easy. So give it a try. Okay, good luck. It's another thing in my bag of tricks. Okay, bye-bye.